In this video, I'm going to be going over why offers are so important and how you can craft your own irresistible offer for your ecom brand. And the basic premise is the fact that you want to be maximizing the total value perception of what you're selling. So most brands are doing this completely wrong. They sell a product and they feel like or act like their product, their offer is their price. And that's why most brands focus on discounting, because that's the only way they can offer value is by having a price as the offer and then having a lower price as the value proposition. And I want to show you, the goal of this video is to offer a different way to think about this and how to strengthen your offer to increase your overall perceived value, which allows your customers, your ideal customers, to want to actually purchase what you're selling. This will increase your average order value, your conversion rates, and allow you to scale much faster and harder or better because of all this. Like as far as increased conversion rates, increased AOV, your ROAS is going to increase and your ad account is going to just be more dialed in. So a strong offer is going to include or answers the four following questions. What transformation will I experience? Why should I trust this brand? Why should I buy this right now? And what do I get that others don't? You want to answer these and use that as a framework to craft your offer. So here are 6 frameworks or ways that you can craft an offer. The goal here is to maximize the overall perceived value of what you're selling for higher conversion rates and average order value. So you want to focus on these 4 things. First is to promise a clear, desirable transformation. Second is to remove risk with trust factors and social proof. You also want to include bonuses to make the offer feel irresistible. And you want to also maximize the perceived value, hopefully 5 to 10x what you're charging for. So the first one is going to be the premium bundle offer. And this is just a basic core product with just a few value bonuses. So in this case, it'll be like the mushroom matcha from Rise, and they also include like a free magnet, free spoon and scoop, as well as free shipping when you get started on this offer here. They also have different various CRO elements like the social proof, the serving size. We have great product image carousels. We have the discount there, price per serving, back to school sale, as well as the image there. The second one is just the basic subscriptions offer, but this one you're going to offer and emphasize the value that you have to incentivize people to subscribe. So typically brands are doing the 20% off and subscribe to get 20% off or so. Again, that's just discounting. What you can also do is add free shipping. You can also add a bonus. You can also add like free returns. Like a lot of times the value that you can stack is things that you are already offering, but it's simply just about breaking them down into individual components. And once you stack it and list it all out, it creates a more valuable, like a higher perceived value around that offer. So subscription savings is another one. It's just to stack free gifts or things with a subscription. Third is just a standard buy more, save more anchor offer. So classic like buy 1, buy 3, buy 6. Buy one, in this example from Ramp Health, we have a buy 1, 2, and 3, and you get savings as well. The fourth is a limited time stack. This is around a particular offer, discount, whatever the case may be, and then creating action with countdown timers, launches, all that. Super simple. This is just a limited time stack. It's for launches or remarketing. Free gift for purchase is the 5th one. This is just to add urgency and perceived generosity. So essentially just incentivizing people to buy the 4 pack in this example here. And with the 4, if you see the example here, when you select 4 sticks, they have all the gifts unlocked and you can see everything that's included, and you're kind of gamifying the shopping experience to incentivize people to want to unlock these gifts and actually get those gifts. The last one is just like a seasonal offer, creating like a bundle or like a stack that makes sense for what it is that you're pushing. So for example, an example of a supplement brand selling supplements to increase testosterone and all that, what brands can do is create like a whole stack of like a creatine, a pre-workout, a gym program, like a training program, all this stuff just to increase the overall perceived value, and you're able to charge more because of this, because it automatically solves, like you're framing your offer as the solution to a particular problem, and because you have all these things in like a bundle or stack form, like it just makes sense for people to see this as like all-in-one solution. And how you want to boost your offers is a few ways. You want to stack your value, like we mentioned. So you want to list every component, right? Breaking it all up and then being like, this is valued at XYZ. and then you can create like a total bundle value versus what you pay for. You also want to use risk reversals like guarantees. Unique mechanism is also a great one. Just framing your product as like this new discovery or breakthrough. There's 3 ways that we do it: existing, just frame as a new formula; unspoken, of just framing as a way that this is like a thing that no one really talks about. And the third is just renaming a common thing that people know, but just framing it as a new mechanism. The fourth one is anchoring price. So show the original price versus discounted price. A lot of brands already know this one. You could also add like a per day cost, like cost per serving or price per day. Urgency and scarcity is another great one. Countdown timers, low inventory counts, today only, bonuses, all that. And of course, social proof, just to inject that trust and credibility. So testimonials, reviews, logos, UGC code, most popular tags, all that. You get the basics. And then how you want to inject your offers into your overall funnel is through different pages, of course. In this case, we're just going to go over like a basic pre-sale page, which is like an advertorial listicle. And you want to, of course, like frame this is mainly relevant for like an advertorial, but framing the problem that they're having, right? Introducing the solution, the mechanism, teasing the bundle, the offer that you have, like claim your discount now, check availability, stuff like that. And then just to get them introduced and interested in your offer. And then that pre-sale page will take them to like a landing page, offer page, product page, anything of the sorts. And that's where you're gonna really showcase the full offer stack, which is the core product, the bonuses, the bundle value, breaking down the components and all that. And of course, you're gonna want to focus on like the basic visual hierarchy, focusing on the top fold section, making sure that it's visible, the offer is visible in top fold, so they know exactly what you're promoting, and the basic stuff like the guarantee, scarcity, and all that. And then the checkout page is just the same thing as always, creating that. And then here's just a quick checklist just to make sure that you have something that is irresistible, of providing a clear, desirable transformation, 5 to 10x the perceived value of the price, using bonuses to make the offer feel irresistible, removing risk with trust, credibility, or guarantee, making it urgent or exclusive, making the mechanism feel new and approved, trust and proof factors, as well as making the overall page hierarchy, structure, layout frictionless and scannable to make the overall decision making process easy. So this video is mainly on offers, of increasing, maximizing the total perceived value of what you're presenting, and this will allow you to charge more and simultaneously increase your conversion rates, because people will automatically will see your solution as that all-inclusive kit, the all-inclusive solution to solve their problem. So focus on your offers, because this is a huge lever that most of you aren't pulling. You should be pulling to increase conversion rates, increase your average order value, and be able to scale much better and more efficient. Helps. See you in the next one.